Hey my friend, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the SciPy library in Python. We are going to first create a Python project folder. Then within it, we are going to create a virtual environment. And within that virtual environment, we are going to install the SciPy library because that's how it happens in the corporate IT world. So I have the terminal open in front of me. I'm going to first get inside the desktop using the cd command, because that's where I want to create my Python project folder. So I'm going to create now the Python project folder using the mkdir command. So it will be mkdir, and let me name my Python project folder as SciPy_install. There you go. You can see a folder has been created named SciPy_install. Now we are going to get inside this folder using the cd command again. So it will be cd, and I'm going to type SciPy_install. All right, I'm inside the SciPy_install folder. Now I'm going to create a virtual environment. Before we create the virtual environment, I'm assuming that you have Python 3 installed on your machine. You can check it by simply typing the command python 3 -- version. Okay, that is going to give you the version of the Python that is installed on your machine. If it is not installed, then you can install it by watching this video in the I button. Now let's create the virtual environment. So the command to create the virtual environment is quite simple. In Mac, it is python 3 -m myenv, and then we need to give the name of the virtual environment that we want to create. So let's call it SciPy_venv. I hit enter. It's going to take a few seconds, and if it doesn't throw any error, then we are going to assume that the virtual environment has been successfully created. It hasn't thrown any error. Okay, so let's check if the virtual environment has been created using the ls-ltr command, and you can see the virtual environment appears over here. Now we are going to activate this virtual environment. The command is very simple. It's ./SciPy_venv. That's our virtual environment, /bin/activate. I hit enter, and the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install the SciPy library using the pip command. The command is very simple. It's going to be pip install SciPy. All right, the message appears over here. Successfully installed NumPy 1.23.5 and SciPy 1.9.3. So first of all, it's an indication that SciPy got installed successfully. However, an interesting thing to note here is that the NumPy library also got downloaded and got installed along with SciPy. Why is that? Because SciPy uses the NumPy library underneath. Hence, the installation of NumPy library is mandatory. That is why NumPy got downloaded and got installed along with SciPy. The installation of the SciPy library automatically took care of that, so we didn't have to install it explicitly. Now let's check the successful installation of the SciPy library programmatically. So to do that, we need to go inside the Python prompt that we can go into using the command python 3. There you go. We are inside the Python prompt. Here, I'm going to first import the SciPy library. If it gets successfully imported, then it's an indication that it got installed successfully. All right, no error. So this is one of the evidences that the SciPy library got installed successfully in this virtual environment, SciPy_venv. Now we are going to check the version of the SciPy library using the code SciPy._version. If this gives us the version, if this line of code returns the version of the SciPy library installed, which was 1.9.3, then it's the final evidence that the SciPy library has been successfully installed in this virtual environment, SciPy_venv. And there you go, the version 1.9.3 appears. Now we are very much sure that the SciPy library is ready to use. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the SciPy library in Python from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.